No pencil, my youth. Walk on peeps, walk on peeps, walk on peeps, walk on Jnel. You there? You fascinating to my youth.
You.
Alright. Walk on peeps, walk on peeps. I say walk on Jnel.
Yeah. Walk on.
Walk on. Me there, you know. Yeah, peeps. So from the C2 away today, you don't know what time it is.
I don't know who.
You don't know who.
Yeah.
You see me?
Boy Jnel.
Yeah. I could get right into it now.
Alright, so
time.
for this video, like we have some cards. You see me, some blue cards. No, there are some words on the cards and we don't know what exactly is on it.
Yeah, because I never rewrite it.
Yeah, we make somebody write it and you know, so basically what we are going to do is that each word that we see, we're supposed to find a song with that word in a line of song.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we don't know much song, you see me?
You feel like you're winning now? The challenge I
I feel like there's somewhere Buhn go cheat. I don't know.
I don't think I can cheat. There's no cheating, it's just the way of logics of doing things.
Alright.
I know what I say about okay. Alright, peeps. So basically, I could get right into the video.
How much card again we have?
22? 24?
Alright, here we are going to share it up. We are going to do it like a card pack, you know what I mean?
Just split it now, bro.
Man, I have to shuffle it. I will shuffle the card.
Shuffle it. But I feel like we are going to lose that one because I mean, really.
People Buhn and cheat already.
I know all of a song, but I just know. I can't remember. I just hope my memory can work well right now.
Bam, 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 bam. You want a bam, I say? God, Afghanistan.
Bam, I hope that's the word day night.
Alright, so basically, we are going to show the card to the screen so you guys can see what is on the card first, and then we are going to show it to whosoever.
Yeah.
You get me? So, how we are going to start?
You start now?
Me start?
Yeah.
Alright, so the first one is, well, I look on it first, then show it to the camera. So, I have to show Buhn and him find a song.
Yeah.
Alright.
The word back way. I can't even pronounce that. How am I gonna sing that, bro? Real feel.
I don't know. Me for myself, I know no song with that word there.
Conjugal? I say pronounce?
I think a conjugal.
Conjugal?
I think Spice do a song with him, conjugal visit where she go visit cartel in a jail. I don't even know what conjugal mean, honestly. But I don't even know a song with it in it.
Dunce, bro.
What the same song with Spice, I don't think she even say
the word
conjugal in that song. It was just the title of the song. So
it didn't be the research because I never know a Spice song name. So you listen Spice? Yeah, aunt.
So this
so tight. Bang, bang. Boy, my time. Cause I don't know what that is. I just hope that video makes sense. Cause I don't want to know if I read out all of them already and them look like that.
I'm hearing man, I know we do it like
you know? So we don't know what that word mean. You can't see as with that word. This too easy, my youth. This too easy, my youth. So your word is Yamabella.
Them girl are real Yamabella.
Yeah. My youth, I can't believe.
I never born in all you say. We still shop at DD's and still shop at Macy's.
Alright. Your turn, man. Come on.
Faces. Some people born yet.
I don't understand the party, but you know, a bad song. Big up yourself.
So I get 1 point already.
Who sing this song?
Woo! Jnel IG.
Run it.
Next one.
Just a hope and pray. See, I know something easy. I feel like that coming out on what's your name? Cardi B song. I don't know that.
This sound like more like a Liquid type of song.
Wasabi?
Yeah, like you said.
I feel like me hear that already, but I just can't put it to the song. Why this? I
don't even know either.
Why this not the word in the palm side? So why your words in the palm side, my youth? Me I lose already, bro.
So you
know? If you know, you can probably get the point.
No, I don't know that song. But I know a song with this, but I don't know. Wasabi, no.
Wasabi.
No. Wasabi.
Wasabi? I don't know that one. I don't know.
Yo, I don't know that one either, so.
I feel like knowing about it just now come out, right?
Come, give me next easy one. People like me, if you win that game, I can Buhn cheat with the whisper challenge. And you can't try to cheat with this, so I'm going to win with this. So let's see what's going on. Oh, Jnel Squad merch. Out. Should I mention it from the starting of the video? People, the Jnel Squad merch soon drop. I'm going to see the logo and I wonder how that. I feel who know it already, they know say I hate that. But yeah, back in the video.
For all of the, well, before we go back in the video, for all of the JNL comedy supporters, Jnel Squad merch is here. You see me?
But they're not out as yet.
They're not out as yet. As you can see, samples right here. You see me? Them look nice so far. I love them. You see me? Alright. Hold on, I go too close. I need to get too dark. So, yeah. Lockdown.
We are gonna put you on lockdown. Put your body on lockdown. Hey.
My youth, we're not record. We're not recording studio, bro.
No, like
yeah,
people, it's when I know the song.
Sing,
trust
bro.
me, it's when I know the song. When I know the song, and you know, like you know, say, you know, you have to. You see me?
Sorry.
You see me?
That really a person.
Alright, next one. The one like a 4-letter. So I probably not gonna know something like this. Alright, let me see.
This too easy, my youth. Them they too easy, bro. Mind if I'm not
You, yeah, what's a good ear night?
you. Brother, I was missing that. I just remember Facebook here up and it caught up. Yeah, you can't believe that you never eat.
So you say, oh, this.
I'm a hero when you look inside your heart. I say go. Yeah, I say go.
I hear them say? Another song there?
Yeah.
Oh, there's
an hero.
A eagle. Yeah. And an eagle, she say.
A eagle?
I don't know. But
a hero, my
people don't leave in the comments if a hero she saying that song.
I
think there's a hero. There's a hero, yeah. When you look up in the sky, yeah. It makes sense. When you look up in the sky, you can see a hero, yeah.
When you look inside your heart, there's an answer. I don't remember no more. But I feel like I say go. You know, no. Other song with hero?
No.
My youth, you see said hard. You see said hard. I don't know how I remember that, but boy. Hope it not crack. Yeah, so why?
Peter, you know who you for pre still?
Yeah.
You know who you for pre? Pre-Peter K. I see you right them.
Eat you. Well, I eat you, but I eat you. I just eat you right now. I don't know no more song name eat. You. Me I did answer. No more.
No song. Mechanical or something.
I did make up that for you.
Next one.
Alright, yeah, peace. Next, moving on.
Alright, pray to God me know something with that one. Pray to God.
Please, not make him know nothing with this. Probably know, but probably not know. Well, I mean, I keep on aggressive near. So your word is heartbreaker. Going once. Going twice. Going twice.
I give up. I don't know. I don't know a song with the heartbreaker. Well, I know a song with it, but it just now click. You see me, it's like a computer mouse mash up, it just now click.
Yo, people are really disappointing in another video because we're supposed to know. But how we not know? Like, probably a camera, I don't know, but how we not know?
Heartbreaker.
Heartbreaker.
I know a song with heartbreaking, but I don't know heartbreaker. Oh no, different sound. Alright, let's move on to the next one.
Heartbreaker. Don't break You're a heartbreaker, but I still love you.
Next one. Oh. Yeah. Alright, let me see what I'm going now. Hey, you know, so we should make a female right or something, yeah?
No, I feel like a wrong decision.
It's like, you know, female are made some little, you know, heartbreaker, some little lovely type of, you know? So then put some little sweet, lockdown, heartbreaker. Hero, like. Alright, see you next already.
This is difficult.
Yo.
This is difficult. Like, alright, Peter Gay, where did I meet you?
Peter Gay, where you met? So that's what I say. Where she met?
I understand. Where?
Dream Lover.
Dream Lover. Where did I meet when you write them something? Like, Dream Lover. We have to try to make up song with them something.
We don't even know.
We don't listen for your song them.
That me I say. She listen to some little, you know, female, you know, probably listen to them Celine Dion and, you know, all of them little.
And nice. We listen like
them love art.
Why you never go dance hall? We did in Jamaica. Why you never go dance hall?
Dream Lover.
Dream.
I don't know the song with that.
I'm dreaming of you, my dream lover. I'm holding on to you forever. I feel like
you don't know that song, Buhn.
Right.
You don't know that song.
You can't give me a point for that
next
one.
Word.
Bro. Vengeance. Bro.
Vengeance. Me I carry vengeance.
I don't know the song with sustain.
I don't know the song with vengeance. Swear. If you don't know the song with vengeance, just leave it in the comment section. But I don't know a song with the word vengeance. Vengeance tonight.
A song is there with vengeance tonight. But
yeah, I don't know if it's a alkaline or one of them songs.
Vengeance in a me have you.
Huh?
Vengeance in a me, yeah. Yeah, vengeance in a me heart for you. Me love you.
Come back with the farm. Everybody is sweet. Vengeance in a me heart, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, true. Alkaline. Me tell you say the alkaline song.
Yeah, so a point there stuff for me.
Alright, so like
leave me. we get that song there.
Alright.
Oh, your time. Let me keep on a look on the word. When me see the reaction, I'm supposed to know what that means. No, we don't know. Cellulite? Alright, let me ask you a question then. I go to school, but the meaning for the cellulite, I think I know meaning for that, but I'm not going to get into that. It, like, where did I think about? Like, what are your meds? What are your meds in writing these words? I mean, there's so many different words out there what you could have used. I swear, this is pissing me off right now. My heart is aching. What we have to find word? What song would sell it? Jesus Christ, they make it so hard for us. This is supposed to be fun. It's not fun.
At least made 2 points.
A 1 point today, no?
No.
2 points today?
Yeah.
Oh well. I made 2.2.
And the Jnel IG. They made 2 points.
Bro, I made 2 points. Wait, cellulite. Me I got blind with me cellulite.
People, as I can see, like my reaction, I blank. I don't know, like, I don't know. I blank.
You ready? Alright. Let me see.
You know, look on the screen over there. Yeah, look on the screen.
Bro, this is so easy, bro.
Song a blast like torpedo, we never people, but we know watch people. Galipulate evil, but we too.
Big up Skillibang.
So we ever ready to do it quite legendary, so device if I Chevy. I'm not trouble carry.
Alright, so, 3 points, bro.
3 points. Song a blast like torpedo, big up Skillibang, you know. Is it? Oh, my time?
Yeah.
What?
Bro, this, my head hurt me. It's supposed to be fun, bro. sure she never just use that for mark, like in between which part if she write like gospel, you know? You sure? Because like for mark which one she write gospel, which part she write like them something, I don't know.
So, yes, who song that? Because I know one. I know a song with gospel, right? And a long time song I did like. But I never really like it, but I hear it and know it, so. So I probably can't steal Buhn point. You!
Like, there's so many gospel songs that I'm going through right now, bro. And I can't have it, bro.
I know one. As I see the word, I know it just come up in my mind.
Give me, like, I'm just get a fight.
I can't get it.
I don't feel good at
Can't get it. For the other game now, you win. Revenge. Vengeance.
I don't know, bro.
Me still in point. Wait, go again. Fuck. Hold on. Hold on. Something like, I'm here to sing gospel reggae. I'm able to sing gospel reggae. You know that song? Like?
No, bro.
And I'm able to sing gospel reggae. That's one song. I know for sure that one song. I know it. You see me? So people, if you don't feel like you don't know the song, if you don't know the song too, just leave a comment.
Man, we can't just sing one gospel song and take peace of point, man.
No.
More sing one gospel song, man.
Next word, come in. We don't take that point there already. Next word.
My youth. Here it is.
Am I there?
Yeah, no, man.
Here it is, yeah.
Universe.
Let me see it.
Universe.
Let me see it, man, so you can motivate me.
Universe.
My name Mr. Universe. Eastside, you know, see. Give them the brick with the easy entrance. I think them on the testant and the testant. I'm a reading peasant. I'm from them flow like I'm reading extra. Secret them a lot. Is it?
My your turn, my done, dog. Just your turn, my youth.
Is it?
Mate, this supposed to be fun, my youth. Me nah feel fun, my youth.
Is it?
This not fun, my youth. Me just nah feel fun, man. Me done, my. If me not get that one, I'm done, my youth. Me nah play no more, brother.
Next song.
Gospel reggae. Gospel reggae.
People, tell me that.
Gospel reggae.
Hold on, so you sing the song, let me just sing.
Gospel reggae. Might a point that. Me don't know a song, but you know a song and you sing a song, so me I take the song and borrow it and let it.
People, tell me if that fear. Me I give me thing, but tell me if that fear.
Me don't think you fear is still enough. Me not fear to myself, but this not fun. Yeah. Reggae.
Reggae.
Side chick.
Me love have a side chick. I don't have a side chick, people. I don't have a side chick. Me like it. You see me the song from long time. The Black Rhino, big up yourself. A girl like you. A girl like she. Would a talk like me. As a Black Rhino song now. She let me love and she let me love like sweet. I should love the I fly. This thing I she make me feel like paradise. Sing with me. Girl, you me love, 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 love. What a body. A Black Rhino singing?
Alright, Amelie.
Black Rhino, man. A Black Rhino. The next point for your boy, Jnel IG. Is it?
Me no answer about side chick.
Alright, people. Peter Gay. Make Buhn get one. Me I want it right now.
Me not feel good, bro.
Me I want it right now. Cause right now Buhn vex.
Me not feel good right now.
And me vexish. But you don't know me I lead, so. Yeah? Is it?
Me not like lose.
No, you can't tell me say you don't know a song with this.
No, me just know this.
You can't tell me say
me just
you don't know a song with this.
My mind fried.
Blessing. As me see this, one artist come to my mind.
Blessings are flow like a river.
No? What did you say? Oh, yeah, true.
I know that.
Yeah, true.
But me just can't.
Blessings just a flow like a river.
Yeah. Boy,
What's this?
some of the time, me don't know, but like, bro.
People, talk the truth. I true Buhn lose, make him a go on, so. Make him did that win. He would have gone like how me a go on. You know the winners, vibe. He would have that vibe. But
I don't feel good. That's my time now, my. Like, seriously?
Let me see what I go on.
Grandfather, bro. I wonder if she write the ending of the songs them more than the word in the flipping song. I wonder if that
well,
she
I know.
I have feelings like that she like grandfather. Think about it. You see the song where Massacre sing? A grandfather name.
Grandfather's song name.
Guess what his song name when him sing with him?
Blessings.
Yeah. So guess what, guys? We're gonna still do it. But I don't feel any way anymore.
Bless, alright, grandfather. The song name Grandfather. I mean, remember the line nice song when I say Grandfather. Easy me?
Listen to your grandfather. That's just that him did say, you know, yeah. He said, listen to your grandfather. Go. Just not that bear this.
Alright, so we have to go to the next word, because we don't want the camera to cut off and we even.
Yeah, here's
so the next word. Buhn get that one now. I know for sure say him get that one now.
Me pull up in the Honda, get the girl number. The Honda, get the girl number. Me pull up in the Honda, get the girl number. Honda, get the girl number. One thing with the Honda in the Buhn gets full of comfort.
So that means like how me and Buhn sing is I'm get a piece and pint.
We can get a piece, man. We are share. Me feel kind of better now.
You feel better now?
Yeah.
Is it?
Piece of points, man.
Is it? Well, I wouldn't get the point stick. I don't know a theme word and.
But you see, two I will sing that one there too. To us, hey, yeah, hey. But you don't feel it knows, yeah.
Don't you know even to us in a handful? We know the word of the member, and we know rise and boast.
We give thanks when we really supposed.
We have to give thanks because we need it the most.
Blessings fall from right hand. Well, blessings, yeah, right. Time. Keep on and good. That's something hard.
I know one song with that, with this. I know one song. Woo! I know one song with this, I'm not worried myself. Lovers. Come on, let me steal a point and done. Let me steal a point.
Lovers, I promise you love it for me.
Just give me the.
Here and now, lovers.
No. Just give me the point.
Go on.
Secret lovers.
You know some of them
That's
songs.
really hard.
Me do have a feeling to want something like that. That's why I go for that, man. Me can't bother my youth.
That's why I'm glad, like, when we did young and their country. We don't go too deep, because we don't want the camera.
You know beds that? Alright. Rock.
For me, that.
Rock,
for me.
paper, scissors. Yeah, rock.
And me if it,
Oh, you go
me
on.
if you sing a song.
Sorry, go on.
Rock.
Rock.
Well, I'm calm, I'm catching vibes. I can make your bed rock. I can make your bed rock, girl. I can make your bed rock. I can make your bed rock. She got the good. She Michael Jackson fan. I'm attracted to her, but her attracted her. They call her murderers because we kill time. I like the lights house and she still shine. I hate to see her go, but I love to watch her
Don't
leave.
the camera, my youth. Stop now, my
back and
youth.
forth like a soccer team.
Stop now, my youth.
Rock. I can make you better.
Don't know, my youth.
Your time.
Your time, my youth.
Alright. Rotted. We know what I want. We know what I want. We know what I want.
I don't know what that is.
You know that one?
I think I know what the word means, but I don't know any song like that. Bro, I'm not listening to them song, dog.
Just give me a point.
Go on. Take it.
Real psychopathic sociopath. Psychopathic sociopath.
What that
Real
Vibes Cartel?
psychopathic yeah.
Vibes Cartel.
Psychopathic psychopathic, yeah, psychopathic sociopath. Yeah. My time. Come in before the camera dead pound.
That's why Skilly Bang and Cartel have to be friends. You know,
Because they know the word, them, you see me? Jesus love me, this I know, for the Bible tell me
Man,
so.
you sing Jesus.
Oh, Jesus.
I want you.
Yeah. Alright, people, so we just sing a song a while ago, but you don't know the song. The camera lock off, so we have to start over again. So we're back on board now, so we only have one. Each of we have one left. But we just get the one there a while ago about Jesus. Yeah. So who for time now? Mine?
You for sure, me.
Oh, me for sure. Alright.
Please, make it last one, something. I can accuse you about a social. Accuse you about a vision. Vision. Accuse you about a vision. Hold on. Me I overthink now. My brain a fry. Vision. Social distance, vision.
I said I know a song with vision, but I just can't come up with it.
Vision, bro. Visions around you. Vision. A vision in me said this. Visions around you.
Just make them leave it in the comment section because me don't know a song with vision either. So if Buhn right, leave it in the comment section, but
me not think that right.
That not right. Vision.
Visions. Mate, just what? Please make it be visions around. We need to look on the phone after this, though, mate.
Right, last one. Let me get the last one. Come in. Promise you Buhn go on so I get it. Promise you Buhn go on so I get it.
Done with them, mate.
Get.
Mate, you need to start out doing something with them. Done, mate.
Encyclopedia. Can't tell have a song with encyclopedia in it. But I don't know what I'm saying about it.
That means I don't know. You done?
Yeah.
Eh?
Take the point. I'm done with it already, but I'm done with it already.
Encyclopedia.
Who song that?
Vibes Cartel. Encyclopedia.
Well, I don't know, but your boy Jnel finally
Win one game, bro.
win a game. You see me? Yeah.
Pick up yourself, bro.
Yeah. Mother mean.
You see me?
Alright guys, so you don't know, thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Even though it wasn't much of anything, but
half of the word
I don't know what them they think they, but I swear, me think you would have be more. It's fun still in the car. At the end of the day, I say, "Bomba, me dance to music." You know? Yeah. Well,
alright, so
peeps, please check out the other videos. You see me? Please like, share, and also comment.
subscribe.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Click the notification bell.
Yeah.
And comment, guys. We want to know feedback. You see me? We want to know say, and enjoy the video. You get to me? I say this channel. Well, this channel is about fun, laughter and games and you see me? So stay tuned for more.
Make sure you guys remember that the Jnel Squad merch will be out soon. Now, so make sure you like message me and ask me like what gonna be the cost and them something like
on your Instagram. On your Instagram.
Post it, on Instagram, Jnel official _.
You can DM me as well, guys, for your orders. That's Buhn _reactions. Follow me on Instagram as well.
And leave a comment. What you think about the logo?
Yeah.
What do you think? Like the honest opinion. Honest opinion.
Yeah.
It bad, it look.
But like white shirt still, bro. But wear it all day today.
Yeah, leave an honest opinion. And thanks guys for watching this video once more. See you guys on the next video.
Look out for more challenges,
boy,
guy.
Jnel.
And you don't know your boy Buhn. And we're out.